Hey guys, welcome back to another No BS video. If you got a garage door that's going down and it comes right back up when it hits the floor, like that, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. So there's two types of garage doors that are commonly out there. One of them's got the little dials on it. The other one's got the buttons on it like mine. So I'm gonna show you how to program this the right way. So if you have the buttons here, you are going to first hold the down arrow button. You're gonna set your travel. So you're gonna hold this down until you got the blue light. Then you're gonna hold the button down until it goes all the way down to the desired position, and then you're gonna let go of the button. So I'm holding the button, watching the door. That's good, let go of the button. Then you're gonna hit the set button. Now you're gonna set your travel all the way up. So you're gonna hold this down until it goes blue. Then you're gonna bring it up, holding the button down the whole time and watching your door and getting that to the desired height. So it's gonna come up. So this is for your Genie garage doors, by the way. Right there's good, I like that, I can clear it. It's blinking, you're gonna hit set. Now you're gonna come back over to your garage door opener. I'm gonna hit the button and we'll see if it does the little bounce or if it stays down. And again, guys, if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and if you like No BS videos like that one, I think you do. So thanks for watching. Later.